There are two kerf boards on your miter saw, one on each side of the blade. They provide a tight opening around the blade and are made of plastic, so the blade won't be damaged if it contacts them. The kerf board can become cracked or broken if there is a kickback. Replacing the kerf board is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old kerf boards. You may need to adjust the base to access the rear screw. Now I can install the new kerf boards. I align them with the saw and secure them with the screws. And the other side. And that's how easy it is to replace the kerf boards on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.